It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday evening. I'm James Spann. We stay mild for the rest of the week. A little rain as the weekend begins. Let's go in there and take a look out the window with some skycam shots. Generally more clouds than sun across the state this afternoon. That's the view coming from Jasper in Walker County. Up the road, that's our Hamilton skycam in northwest Alabama. And down south, a mostly cloudy day on the Alabama Gulf Coast. That is coming from the top of the Phoenix, All Suites, and Gulf Shores. That's a visible satellite view. Some thin spots in the overcast, but you can see it's a mostly cloudy day. But no rain, by the way, on radar. There's a look at the water vapor satellite view, and you can see we have that split flow, the northern branch with a trough over the Great Lakes. The southern branch is weaker coming in here. Temperatures are mostly in the upper 60s in our part of the state. 69 for Birmingham, Anniston, and Tuscaloosa. Still warm down in Montgomery. They got 76 degrees at mid-afternoon. The cool spot in Muscle Shoals, they are at 58. But the cold air up north gradually modifying, and even up north we're expecting a warming trend in coming days. Pretty quiet early December day across the nation. We have hardly any watches and warnings to talk about. Some flash flooding issues in parts of California where that rain is really good. And again, that's a deal where the positives outweigh the negatives with that rain. Speaking of rain, this is the forecast for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning of next week. Heavier totals over northwest Alabama. Where we are, we figure the amounts will be under 1/2 inch, and the better opportunity for showers will be on Saturday as the weekend begins. We'll check the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon local time. And again, you can see it's a zonal flow across the country. Down below that, we're kind of in between waves, and we'll say partly sunny tomorrow, and it should be very mild with low 70s likely. The GFS is printing 72. The record high tomorrow is 78, set in 1998. The average high is 59. This is Friday, and you can see that wave energy coming through Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, and Kansas. And down below that, rain breaks out in advance of that. Rain should be falling Friday evening at places like Memphis, Greenville, Mississippi, Little Rock, Arkansas. And we'll need to mention a chance of maybe isolated showers during the day. But I think the day Friday will be dry. Maybe northwest Alabama getting some rain late in the day. This is 6 o'clock Friday evening off the NAM, the high-resolution NAM. And again, maybe a little bit of light rain in spots, but I think much of the day should be dry. This is Saturday. The wave moves on to the east, and really this is showing the better forcing north of the state with rain amounts pretty light down here. So again, the chance of some light rain at times on Saturday, but no thunder, no severe weather. Rain not all that heavy, and it's certainly not going to rain all day. And the high Saturday will be more than likely in the 60s. Sunday, the wave is east of the state. The day should be dry, the sky becoming partly to mostly sunny, the high in the low 60s. And Monday, the thickness values are coming down, and the high will likely drop into the 50s on Monday. And it should be dry. This is Tuesday. I would say highs in the 50s, lows in the 30s with a sunny sky. And a week from today, we note that the disturbance over West Texas, but for us, will more than likely stay dry. Rain breaks out across the Lone Star State, and that's a good thing for them. And again, 50s during the day, 30s Wednesday morning, which is exactly where we should be for the 10th day of December. We'll check the end of the forecast, December 19th. That's not an especially cold look. Down below that, that looks like temperatures may be a bit above average and no sign of any really Arctic air in the nation. Temperatures for the next 15 days off the ensemble. Nothing extraordinary there after that warm day tomorrow. Highs going back in the 50s next week. And the teleconnections, Arctic Oscillation kind of hovering around the neutral line. The NAO, North Atlantic Oscillation, staying positive. And that should keep the really cold air out of here at least for 15 days or so. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.